Hi, it's Aurelius, hope you've been well. In this video, I'm going to share 7 types of supplements that you can create for your next digital product or online course. So if you're an educator, a teacher, creating an online course, you can provide more value to your students, clients, or customers by providing these types of supplements. So let's get to it. This video is sponsored by DataCamp. More on them later in this video. Okay, so the first type of supplement is a worksheet. On screen, you'll see this customer avatar worksheet that I created all in Canva. And by the way, all these supplements that I'll be explaining in this video, I created all using Canva. If you don't have access to Canva, I will provide a link in the description box below, providing a 30-day trial of Canva Pro. This is actually a worksheet that I have my coaching students go through so that they can clarify who their ideal customer is. Down below, I provide an example of a filled out worksheet so that they're not lost in terms of how do you fill this worksheet. And with Canva, you can very easily create something like this. All you need to do is create a new canvas that's a landscape format, or you can very well just use a portrait size. All I did was I added headings here and an underline. And right here, we've got a box. So this is a box with an outline. Once you're done designing your worksheet, it's just a matter of downloading it as a PDF document. So either PDF standard if it's going to be just viewed online, or printed. I suggest PDF print, and then you download it. In Canva, you can actually search for worksheet templates by simply using the search bar, search for worksheets, and you'll get a range of different templates to choose from. Of course, some of these may not be relevant to your niche, but it's just a matter of picking and choosing, even copying and pasting literally the parts that you want. The next type of supplement is a one-pager. What's a one-pager? Well, take a look on screen. You'll see this Clarify Your Niche one-pager. This is something I created so that my coaching students can go through it and then figure out what their niche is. A one-pager is exactly what the name suggests. It's a one-pager. So the whole point is to summarize everything on one page. So think about what one-pager or summary you could create for your online course. And by the way, you don't necessarily have to have an online course or digital product ready in order to create one of these supplements. A good idea is to actually create one of these supplements in order to build an email list. So you give your supplement away in exchange for someone's email address. The next type of supplement is a checklist. In Canva, you can search for checklists and you'll see a whole range of checklist templates already designed for you. So they're pretty good already. If you take a look at this example here, we've got my self-care checklist. I'll open that up. As you can see, quite well designed. It's on point in terms of branding. All you need to do if you do want to match it with your brand is choosing the element, let's say the background, and then changing to, let's say, gray, if that's part of your colors, and changing this as well. Let's say we want a darker kind of gray right there. So matter of simply customizing it. You've got your main checklist, of course, editing the actual text so that it actually reflects your own online course. Checklists make great supplements because it breaks down something that may be long, complex, and comprehensive into bite-sized pieces. Before I move ahead, a quick mention about this video's sponsor, DataCamp. By the type of videos that I post here on my channel, you all know that I am all about education, and DataCamp is no exception. DataCamp is an online learning platform that makes acquiring data skills easier and more convenient. With courses for all different levels, whether you're a beginner or a pro, DataCamp has over 350 data science courses designed by top experts. What I love about DataCamp is that it's not just all theory, it's actually practical and hands-on. Take this Python course, for example. They've got the interface ready for you to enter and follow the instructions and commands, submit your answer, and then you'll earn XP points, which is part of their gamification integration. You can start learning by going to the catalog, going under tracks, selecting either skill tracks or career tracks depending on your path, or simply go to courses and start with one of the courses provided. Whether you're trying to unlock a new skill for your dream job or upskill as a freelancer, opening up doors to new opportunities, DataCamp is there to help you develop new skills. Become data fluent today. Use my link in the description box below where you can get access to the first chapter of any course at DataCamp. Now back to the video. The next type of supplement is a planner or calendar. For instance, we've got this social media calendar. Of course, this should be related to your online course or whatever it is that you're teaching. In this case, it's about social media. So if you do have an online course in terms of social media marketing, this would make sense. With planners or calendars, it provides a routine and schedule that one can follow. That way they can take action on those very steps that you provide. Here's another format of a planner. In this case, we've got things like what is your major goal? Provide 3 major tasks that you need to do, then today's minor tasks, and your ideas dump zone. Again, you can search in Canva for planners and you'll see a whole range of different planners to choose from. Next up, another type of supplement are mind maps. Because Canva is a design tool allowing you to pretty much create anything you want, you can create mind maps like this one right here. This mind map's about how to lead a healthier life, and we've got things like number 1, diet, number 2, exercise, 3, social, number 4, sleep. Again, you don't need to start from scratch. You could very well search for a mind map template, just like what I did with that example. If you want a different format like this one here, open it up and then start adding your ideas. A mind map makes a great supplement because you can pretty much brain dump all your ideas, your topic, or your online course in this case on one page. And it doesn't have to be in a linear format or in a process type of thing. So it's quite visual, which is something I love about mind maps. Another type of supplement that you can create is a prompt worksheet. Take this one for example. This is a blog writing prompt worksheet where one can fill it out and then gather all their ideas in terms of what blog topics should they talk about next. The whole point of providing prompts is so your students don't need to start from scratch. They can kickstart their creativity because you're providing these prompts. In this example, it says, discuss your favorite band or music group. You may talk about their music and what it means to you. Not too long ago, I purchased an online course from Elise Dharma, and part of that course includes Instagram prompts. So that way you're not left wondering, what should I post today, tomorrow, the next day, and so on. She's got a whole list of prompts that you can kind of pick and choose. All right, this final supplement is one of my favorites, and that's to create templates. With this example here, I'm providing a book cover template where one can simply fill in the blanks or replace whatever's existing. We've got the title here, the subtitle below that, and the author name. They can also replace the photo or image. From here, they could convert it into a product mockup, just like this one right here, and then they can display it on the web. Of course, it doesn't have to be design related. If you're in a completely different niche, let's say in the photography or video niche, you could provide things like LUTs and presets. The bottom line is templates should be there to save your customers time and even money trying to do it themselves. Alright, that pretty much wraps up this video on the 7 types of supplements that you can create for your online course or digital product. Again, do note you don't necessarily need an online course to create one of these supplements. I actually recommend creating one of these in order to build an email list, giving it away as a freebie. And what I recommend you do is to even combine some of these supplements, which in turn provides more value for your students and customers. But that's all from me. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, by all means, give this video a thumbs up, and looking forward to sharing the next training with you.